Hello, everyone. Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So, welcome to this month's collab with Poetspice. So, this month it is titled Autumn Gratitude. All of the participants, their links will be in the description bar below. So, we're going to be focusing on my interpretation of just being grateful during this month of November. So like I said, all of the lovely lady links, everyone who's participating, their links will be in the description bar below. I'm sure there are going to be some giveaways along the way. So you guys just watch us, rate, comment, and subscribe, and join in on the fun. All right. Okay, everybody, let me show you what I used for today. I pulled out this Frank Garcia, this Prima collection kit that I bought from Peachy Cheap. So it came with the Autumn Sunset 6x6, the flowers, charms, the puff stickers, which I actually do love, ephemera. Okay, yeah, that's all. That came in that. I also used this die that I used with the coupon. I thought I had got it on clearance, but it wasn't on clearance at my store. This one right here by Tim Host with a coupon. A grateful die by the Stamps of Life. And then I also purchased, and I had never used, this Elizabeth Craft camera kit. So it came with the pages and the inlay, those dies. That's the camera base. You can do cut it right here, or do a double folded. On mine, I just cut right here where the square line is at, so I use that die. And then I also bought this extra die because I wanted to see if, let me zoom out a little bit. You're probably gonna see my junk, but man, that was so close. But I also picked up this die right here. I wanted to see if it would fit, and it matched perfectly. So I'm assuming all of her planner dies work together, and I'm really intrigued. I think I'm gonna get the rest of them. But yeah, so that is what I use. Let me show you my little cute little camera album that I made for today. Here it is. All right. Okay, so here is the front. Right here where I just used part of the paper. My base is all paper tray ink. And this camera is small, so it's not a huge camera die. So you can get like 2 pieces out of one sheet. Let me see. I didn't think about measuring it. So you can get an idea. In case you want to pick it up. What's that, 4 3/4? 3 11/16. And then if you go right here, that's about 3 inches. So it's good for those little pocket prints. So like I said, here's the front. I did add some want to scrap. That's that die from Stamps of Life. I didn't put anything on the back of this. I may go and add something right here. I don't know. So right here, I just put a page. So you can put a photo in. On this side, the ephemera, and I left it open so something can be tucked in behind there. Here's just another piece that you can write on or put a picture in. On this side, I just did the photo piece at the back, and then the photo corners where something, it can be tucked in, and just put a pearl on each end. Here it is that what you call that? The little pocket thing that will open up. Nothing is on the inside, but I just put that right there because I needed something to go right there. I left the back blank, so it can be written on or something like that. Here's this one right here. Tuck spot behind the, I guess that's a fox. Okay, that's the acorn. That can go, picture can go right there. Same thing on this side, a photo mat. It's small, you really can't do a whole lot. Well, I can at least. Some people can. I can if you're going to actually use it for pictures. Same thing on this side. I love that sheet. All right. And here's this one with the rack. What's that? I don't know why I want to say raccoon. Swirl. I think this is a swirl that you can put right. I'm not an animal person. I know they need to be here because the Lord put them here, but I don't do animals. I think that's a swirl. And you can put an image right there. That's the back side. I actually like that sheet as well. And then that is where I use the Tim Holtz die. And you can actually tuck something underneath there. I did not glue any of that down. I only glued it right here so something can go up underneath there, and I love that sheet too. And then that's the back. So I didn't put any trims or anything on the on this. These 3 came with the kit, and they was a pain. It was a hard time getting them open and stuff. So I think I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get some more and swap these out. And if I send this to someone, if I don't keep it, and if I decide to send it to someone, then I'll put I'ma junk it up, the rings, you know, with the trims and fibers like I normally do. But I'm gonna leave it like this because, like I said, I'm not for sure if I'm gonna keep it. So yeah. So I hope you guys like my plain and simple camera album. I love the way it turned out. I love the die. I love the shape. And then you have so many pieces that goes to this. I mean, once you go and Google it on YouTube where she shows the dies, it comes with so many pieces, and it was really truly a value for the money, in my humble opinion. So yes, so that is it, you guys, for me on today. I can't wait to see what the other participants created for this month of gratitude, honey, being grateful, being thankful. Yes, that we are alive and kicking. Okay, that is it. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll be back with another video. I felt my help on that one. Bye.